This is going to be a video tutorial on where to find your user ID on YouTube. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now. To find your user ID, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is log into YouTube, of course. Next thing you want to do is go to your little profile icon in the upper right hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to go all the way to the bottom down to where it says Advanced Settings. Click on Advanced Settings. And then right in here is your user ID. I have mine blurred out, of course. Right down below that is your channel ID. That is how to find your user ID on YouTube. Thanks for watching.